ClonBrowser, as a powerful fingerprint browser for multi-account management, is capable of performing batch operations on a large number of platform accounts. Among the plans offered, the co-creation version supports 4 sub-accounts, the professional version supports 12 sub-accounts, and the enterprise version supports 30 sub-accounts, which is suitable for all sizes of teams and business needs. Team collaboration makes work easier and more efficient, so let's take a look at how to use team management together. How to build up my team. The first step, invite members to join my team. You can find this feature in the sidebar Team, Member, Invite to Join. Method 1, Invite links. You can copy the invitation link to the members you want to invite. Members can access the invitation link to register and join your team. Method 2, Email of the member. You can enter the email address of the invited member here. Pay attention, the email address you fill in here must have been registered with ClonBrowser. Step 2, Review the invitation. The default setting in the team settings is that members added via a link invitation do not need to be vetted. If you need to change this setting, you can find this feature in the sidebar Team Setting, Invite Review. After this setting is turned on, members who apply for joining the team through your invitation link will be shown in Team, Apply to Join, agree to the application and complete the joining of team members. How to manage my team, assign member permissions. You can find this feature in the sidebar Team, Member, Permission. You can select the following rights: Profile Rights Management, Profile Management Scope, Proxy Management Authority, and Platform Account Management. After you check, you need to click the Save button to save your changes. A profile can then be assigned to team members in the browser list. Profiles can also be selected in bulk for assignment. Once the assignment is complete, team members can work with the profile within their permissions, modifying members' nicknames. You can find this feature in the sidebar Team, Memby, Nickname. Modify the nickname to note your member. Remove team members. You can find this feature in the sidebar Team, Member, Remove. Save your property when the member leave. Alternatively, you can individually upgrade the quota for the number of sub-accounts. For more ideas, feel free to contact ClonBrowser customer service.